Here is a simple example on how to send a message with AltoSignal. To send a message, click on one of the Who buttons. In this example, the Who buttons are colored black. Next, click on one of the What buttons, the blue buttons. And lastly, click on one of the Where buttons, the green buttons. When done, simply click the Send button. Note that any of the buttons are completely configurable, including the number of columns you see here. You do not have to stick to the Who, What, and Where concepts as shown here. The message is now being broadcasted to any device listening on the main channel. You can see that the device is currently listening on the main channel by the label showing Main in the upper left corner of the screen. Users can press the Acknowledge button to indicate that the message was seen. To remove the message, click on Cancel button to send a new message. If you are curious who has seen the message, click on the menu button. Click on Channel History. You will see a list of recent messages that have been broadcasted on the main channel. If a message was seen and acknowledged, you would see the device name as indicated here in the Acknowledged By column. To return to the main screen, click on the menu button and then select Home.